Dow Transportation, we have the 2011 lows here. You can see where the amount of selling that transports lead rallies down and they lead rallies up. And we're always looking at where these transports are, because if you take a look on Thursday and Friday, September 1 and 2, September 2 ended with a gruesome selling in there. So it is what it is. They're all under distribution. And basically, you sold right into that 100-week moving average. Here's that major neckline that used to be resistances. Like so many of the other indexes, look similar to it, but there's a sell plan involved. There's a distribution into the move. What does it mean? It means that people are selling into rallies. It's in a bear trend. Why? Transports are 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 weeks, 5 weeks below the 10 week. 10 week declining, pulling away from the 20 week. MMTs know what that means. So we are in a short-term level. We are at that bottom. If we do not consolidate above the 200 week and we do not get above the 100 week in the short term and close above it, it will mean one thing only. Every movement up to the resistance levels and bear trends is to be selling intraday high short trades, because they're going to sell off, okay? They're not going to continue their breakouts. And, you know, there are leaderships in here. Here's a couple that we like. One that we like, you know, UPS is awaiting here. You have FedEx, which is awaiting to the consumer and you know, how things are shipped. CSX is a good one. You've got AMR in here. You have the UAL in here. Some of them are airlines, but they're all transports. JB Hunt, that's a trucking outlet. Those are people that put goods out around the country. When this is doing well, then things are running well. And what does that mean? That means that the supply chain is running, and there's lots of people shipping products in the transports around the country. When things in growth start to contract, well, look, you always want to see the transports leading rallies. They lead them down. They lead them down into bear moves, and they lead them in bull moves. And we are at a very critical pass. If we break that trend line below here, and the transports go a lot lower. Right now, we're short-term oversold. It's the month of September, and we have to consolidate higher, but the trade management will be in some of these names. No matter what happens, is it takes these names to break out higher to get these up to their next resistance levels. When they do hit the resistance levels, as you can clearly see, they are selling into the move.